Sarah, an adventurous traveler, had always dreamed of visiting the vibrant city of New York. With excitement bubbling inside her, she boarded a plane bound for the Big Apple. Little did she know that her journey would be filled with unexpected twists and turns. As the plane soared through the sky, Sarah marveled at the breathtaking view below. But suddenly, turbulence shook the aircraft, causing a wave of panic among the passengers. The pilot calmly reassured everyone, guiding the plane through the rough patches and safely reaching calmer skies. Just when Sarah began to relax, a thunderstorm loomed ahead. Lightning cracked across the darkened sky, and rain pounded against the windows. The plane jolted with each gust of wind. Yet, amidst the chaos, the pilot skillfully navigated through the storm, ensuring the passengers' safety. As the storm subsided, a strange noise emanated from the engine. Anxiety gripped the cabin as passengers exchanged worried glances. The pilot's voice crackled over the intercom, explaining that there was a minor mechanical issue. He calmly reassured them that it would be resolved swiftly. The flight crew efficiently addressed the problem, restoring a sense of calm and confidence among the passengers. Just as the plane entered its final descent, dense fog blanketed the airport. The runway lights flickered dimly through the mist. The tension in the cabin rose once more. But the pilot, equipped with advanced navigation systems, skillfully guided the plane through the challenging conditions, landing safely on the runway. As Sarah disembarked from the plane, she couldn't help but feel a sense of gratitude and admiration for the pilot and the entire flight crew. Their expertise and calm demeanor had turned a potentially disastrous journey into a triumphant one. In the following days, Sarah explored the bustling streets of New York, awestruck by its iconic landmarks and vibrant energy. She marveled at the Statue of Liberty, wandered through Central Park, and soaked in the bright lights of Times Square. Reflecting on her eventful flight, Sarah realized that life was a lot like her journey to New York. It was filled with unexpected challenges and obstacles. But she had learned that with the right mindset, determination, and a supportive team, she could overcome any turbulence that came her way. With a newfound appreciation for the resilience and strength within her, Sarah embraced the adventure that awaited her in New York. She vowed to carry the lessons learned from her flight, courage, perseverance, and trust in the face of uncertainty, throughout her journey, both in the city and in life. And so, Sarah's flight to New York became more than just a means of transportation. It became a transformative experience, reminding her that even amidst the stormiest skies, there was always a glimmer of hope and a path to triumph.